Yeah. The one with the screen with
My question for you, do you have an additional other keyboard for you, like a bass keyboard for you to use our Zion Studio Switch sticker pack?
Bakit need?
No, I'm just gonna
Or maybe it's time for you to buy another keyboard base. Ayan. Okay, let's have a photo so that they can see that you're the winner. Jen, congratulations. One last, by the way, Jen, you can get it from our team for the raffle prize. One last raffle to be given away goes to someone who will be winning a rack Radiant PBT keycaps in blue color. Yes, you guys are winning keycaps for today, and this time, our last raffle winner for this part of the day for our